In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display zero and empty cells in Tableau, and we'll do this in just about 5 minutes. This is a handy trick to ensure that your data visualizations are clear and comprehensive. Empty cells might look a bit confusing, so filling them with a zero can really enhance the readability of your Tableau sheets. So, let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to open your Tableau public app. If you haven't already, make sure you have it installed and open it up to get started. Once you're in Tableau, the next step is to access your worksheet, where you want to modify the display settings. Keep in mind that this technique is applicable to any worksheet within your Tableau project, so choose the one you need to work on. Now, before we fill those empty cells with zeros, let's create a visual. You can't display zeros in a blank worksheet, so having a visual in place is essential. Begin by dragging your order date to the column section. It's best to change the order date to months. This helps in creating a clearer timeline for your data. Once you've done that, you'll want to drag your category and subcategory to the rows. This action will help organize your data and set a foundation for your visualization. With these elements in place, the next step is to drag your sales data to the text area. This simply means linking your sales data to your visual representation, which is crucial for our next steps. Now, let's head over to the Analysis tab, found on the top of your Tableau interface. From there, navigate your way to the Table Layout options. Here, you want to ensure that you select the option to show empty columns. This is important because without empty columns visible, we can't address the empty cells with zeros. After ensuring that empty columns are visible, locate your sales data in the worksheet. Right-click on it to bring up a context menu. From this menu, select the Format option. Within the Format settings, look for an area called Special Values. This is where you can handle how Tableau interprets any gaps in your data. Over in the text field associated with Special Values, you can input 0. By doing this, any cell that would ordinarily be empty will now be filled with a 0. This simple adjustment can significantly improve how your data narrative is understood at a glance, as zeros in place of blanks remove ambiguity. And there you have it, a straightforward approach to ensuring zeros are displayed in any empty cells you encounter in Tableau. You should now have a clear and visually appealing data set that communicates the full picture to your audience. Remember, these small tweaks often make a big difference, and understanding such features of Tableau can elevate your data presentation significantly. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one.